Alright, so in this video I'm just going to really quickly show you guys how to get the UTEP VPN onto your computer. It's honestly really easy, so just Google UTEP VPN, click this. I'm sorry, it's this one. So, this one. Okay, then you're going to click this or this one depending on what your computer is. If you have a Mac, you'll have to follow the Mac settings. This tutorial is just going to be for Windows. You go ahead and download that. You click it. Run. Do you wish to install? Yep. Now my security went ahead and thought that this was a Trojan, but it's actually allowed, so I'm just going to go ahead and allow everything. And then you'll get sent to this page where you just have to put in your username and password. So put in your username and password. Then once you put in your password, you should be connected, and it's just easy as that. You can choose to disconnect or reconnect simply by going over to your internet settings. Those will be in the bottom window down in the bottom right. You open that up and you'll connect to VPN or disconnect. For my case, I'm on Windows 8, so it's right here. For Windows 10, it's a little different, but it's the same idea. You'll just go in. You'll probably see a screen like this. Let me disconnect from here. Probably see, yeah, a screen like this one, and then you'll just connect. Okay, it'll ask you for your password, but then you just keep going in, and that'll pretty much allows you to trick your own internet into thinking you're on UTEP. Like I said, very simple. You pretty much just click and log in. All right.